and welcome back to Jayadamba Pearls. So today I'll be showing you the beautiful collection of diamond bangles. So you can also customize this diamond bangles according to your bangle size. So you can also walk into our store or you can also contact us on WhatsApp. So the details of the WhatsApp number and also of the store locations I have provided you in the description. And if you have any doubts on pricing or if you want to customize any particular jewelry, you can also WhatsApp us. On the WhatsApp you can just send a screenshot or the video link. You can also get all the information. So let me just go ahead and show you the collections. So Mohsin, what you are showing to our customers today?
So diamond bangle, ma'am. This is the diamond bangles.
The single line.
The single layer diamond bangles, one layer bangle, and the pair of weight is 40 grams, and diamond weight is 10.93 carat. It's the EF VVS. इसमें हम इसको कस्टमाइज़ भी करते हैं एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइजेस वाइज, जैसे कि होता है किसी को 2.2 चाहिए, किसी को 2.4 चाहिए, तो वी डू कस्टमाइज ऑल्सो एंड साइज वाइज इट डिपेंड ऑन द कैरेट एंड साइजेस ऑल्सो. तो इस पे इस हिसाब से हम कस्टमाइज़ भी करेंगे. एंड इसकी अप्रॉक्सीमेटली अगर वेट अगर देखा जाए प्राइस, तो ये हमारे पास 2 to 2.5 से हमारे प्राइस भी मिल जाता है. टोटल वेट ऑफ gold weight of 40 grams, ma'am.
Okay, and the diamonds?
Diamond weight is 10.93 carat.
Okay.
Total piece, entire piece is 136 pieces.
Okay.
And
what is the range you are showing us today?
This is range around 4 to 5 lakhs around close.
Okay.
Yeah.
So many people are complaining that we are not giving you the exact price. Guys, we can't give you the exact price because every day the gold rate will change, so we can't give you that. But we are giving you the range. So if you want the particular bangles price, so you can also take the screenshot and you can also WhatsApp us. We'll give you the rate on that particular date. And also you can customize if you want to customize any particular bangles or products which we are showing in the Jagdamba Pearls YouTube channel. And what is the starting range we have in bangles? Diamond bangles?
2 to 2.5 lakhs, ma'am.
Okay, so around 2 lakhs will
starting
price.
Yes.
Okay, what is the next model?
This is the again I'm showing you diamond bangles with a combination of gemstone emerald.
And it's a completely different model.
Different design. Different design is see. And again this 22 karat gold and hallmark. And here I'm showing the weight also. Here this 42 grams of gold in this. And the entire diamond weight is 3.25 carat. And emerald weight also mentioned here is 4.32 carat weight. And total entire bangle is completely around close to 4 to 4.5 lakhs, ma'am. And one more I'm showing you again here. और ये देख सकते हैं, ये इतना खूबसूरत बने हुआ है. इसके पीसेस आप देखेंगे इज़ अ रियल कम्प्लीटली रियल जेम स्टोन्स एंड ये कम्प्लीटली नवरत्न बैंगल है. अब आप देख सकते हैं इसके अंदर कि कैसे फिनिशिंग की हुई है. एंड सी द जो बॉटम आप ऊपर देख सकते हैं ना, ये कैसे पीसेस बने हुए हैं. देखिए इसकी सेटिंग देख सकते हैं क्योंकि ये 22 कैरेट में बना हुआ होता है. एंड अगेन VVS EF कलर एंड entire weight I'm telling you. This entire weight is 51.48 grams and diamond weight is around 5.60 carat and the total weight of gemstone is 16.79 carat.
Okay.
So approximately the cost of this pair around 6 to 6.5.
Okay, so you can also customize this bangle, guys.
Yeah.
So you can see all the gemstones are used. So this is a Navaratna bangle. So it is you can wear this on any saree or any dress because it will be matching for all the dresses. And if you want this gemstones to be replaced with emeralds, rubies or pearls, you can also go ahead and do that. And hope you have liked all the collection, guys. So you can also go ahead and check the website, which is www.jppearls.com. all the collections are updated there, and all over India we have courier facility, and also abroad also we have the courier facility. All you need to do is you can just go ahead and contact us of any particular jewelry which you have liked. We'll go ahead and provide you the collections. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Have a great day. Bye.